Today I was going through some of the BTC analysis content, and most of what I was seeing was pointing towards bearish continuation. I don't know, how they do that. But when I started looking at the chart myself, I noticed something interesting. I mean, yes, I can still see some downside left in the BTC, but here is the part that caught my attention. I don't think the downside is very far from where the next major move could begin. From the current structure, I am looking at roughly 2% more downside from here, from this current price level, before I would expect the current downtrend to potentially come to an end. And if that level holds, which is this one, let me just point that level. And I've been talking about this level so many times. I mean, never mind. And if that level holds and the market gives me the confirmation I'm looking for, which has to do with, keep trading above this level, 61,395.9, then the picture changes completely. Because from here, this level, I see the possibility of a new bullish rally towards this price level, this one. And this is what I also talked about in all of my previous, or exactly approximately 74,500. So in today's analysis, I want to show you exactly why I still expecting some downside, what level I'm watching for the end of the move, and what the next move after that could potentially be the bullish. Because sometimes the question isn't whether BTC is bearish or bullish, the real question is how much downside is actually left before the market changes direction. So like I said, this is the level 61,395, and if I mark it precisely where my indicator is pointing out, then that's going to be this level 61,347.3. Let me just go and see if that is right. Yep, 61,344.8. And if we look at the chart, we have seen so many times the BTC try to take a support here after after this candle, when the price comes back down, price took a support here, and then we have seen some uptrend. In the downside, this is one of those candle which did not get, or the closing is not above the level, eventually that leading the prices go further down. But after a while, after some consolidation here, the price closed above the level here, and then this sort of a move were there. And every move which happening after this closing, this candle closing above that level, has to do with support above this level. So the overall bullish move, I mean, the BTC is away from 2% away from the new bull rally. And that's not a proper kind of a bull rally, but kind of a reclaiming the level, one of this level. This is one of those level which I'm talking about. This is where BTC will get a resistance, so much so that it may, price may get a big sort of a resistance from here, after making the move from here. What is going on with this thing? BTC will, okay, BTC will make a move for this price level, and here, I mean, specifically on this level, BTC will get a major resistance, and then either the BTC will consolidate around on this level, or may come back down to take support in some of, in between in these levels. So right now, what BTC is doing in its current price activity is, and this is what I've been talking about throughout my videos, when the price was trading here, somewhere here, I talked about the importance of this level. where the BTC will get a resistance. The condition was again, every possibility which I talk about in my videos, there are conditions for the BTC to get fulfilled, for the move to happen. In this case, when when I was sharing one of the analysis about the BTC, the condition for continuation for the uptrend was price closing above this specific level, but that didn't happen, and then eventually the price is now at this moment, price is trading here after this fall. And I also talked about this level which currently BTC has, or maybe BTC will get a resistance here in this specific level for the continuation or the new bull rally. Here it will get a rejection once price reclaim this level, and I don't know, but maybe this level will remain same because my indicator keep on updating its level. So for that, you can subscribe my channel and click the notification for any sort of a new update which I will be uploading, and then you'll get notified. And along with this, let me just share a disclaimer. The things which I'm talking about here in this video, in all of the other videos, has nothing to do about recommendation or suggestion. Please do your own research and analysis for any sort of a financial decision, or seek financial advisors help for financial decision. So yeah, this level is one of the most important level which BTC might get a reject. Not even might, but yeah, eventually it will. The BTC will get a rejection here, resistance here, but that will not for a very long, because eventually the once the BTC comes back down to this level. Do we have this level? Okay, this level. Let me just sync it in the layout. I think this is that level, right? Yeah. Once the BTC comes back down to this specific price level, then the move which will happen after that is only bullish move, and the price have some resistance in between. There are these price level where the BTC gets a resistance, but eventually these resistance will also going to be the BTC will break these levels, and then eventually the price will be trading here, or price will try to go for this specific level, this level. And yeah, this is what I think about the analysis. I'm not sure how people are doing their analysis, and that's a good thing, right? At least they are good with that part, that they are doing own analysis for any sort of financial decision or trades. But yeah, this is my view. So just to sum it up, price will go from, and this is in a 4-hour time frame, price still has some more downside left, which is exactly not exactly, but approximately 2%. And then from here onwards, after going for this downside, the move will be something like this. Not necessarily the same thing, but eventually what this has to do with this move is price will make a move for this price level. And yeah, this is what I am expecting with the BTC in the midterm, short to mid term view. So this is what I have in this video, and that's all. And please do like the video if you like the content, and subscribe and click the notification for future update. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video or in the next analysis.